Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the volume of the sound effects on the June's Journey application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Sorry. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my territory, my place, and you can find different buttons in the home screen. Now, if you want to set the volume of the sound effects, just go to the upper right corner of the home screen and click to the settings icon. And you can find different sections, the basic, social, notification, and advanced. Just click to the first, the basic, and here you can find the third option, the sound effects. And if you want to set that, just click to the green circle icon and just pull on the line, and you can edit the volume of the sound effect. And that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.